All right, I'm back. You can see I'm not quite to the end, but there was a knot. I hate knots in my work, so I cut it out. So now I need to rejoin this and keep it smooth, and I thought I'd show you how to do that. So you want to go and do a double crochet in the back loop like you were doing. Leave it there. Get your other yarn. I hold them together just to keep it taut. Then you hold it together, man. Okay. Take your new thread, pull it through. You're like, oh, it's all baggy and gross. Well, grab the two. Hold them back through your fingers again. Tighten them down. And then complete your double crochet. You're like, oh, they're hanging out the back and they look so ugly. Well, we're gonna fix that. Back in like you're gonna do your double crochet. Grab both tails. Hold them a little on the taut side. Crochet around them. Okay, let's do that again. In the back. Flip them over the hook. And crochet over them. Now you're barely gonna see these when we're done. See, back, a little bulky, not a big deal.